Hey everybody, you're looking live on tape from another gorgeous day here in Central Florida. Today I'm coming to you live on tape from a very special location. Today we're starting a 2-day staycation, if you will. Ladies and gentlemen, the Grand Floridian. This will be our first time staying here. We're gonna do room tours, some dining, pool, give you a whole breakdown. I don't know about you, but I'm pumped. Let's get to it. So this is where I always drop my bags off. Port Cachere. Really good service already to start with. You guys are super friendly. We got some cool antique vehicles here, but as you might imagine, super friendly upon check-in. Now we always do the virtual check-in, so we don't have to go to the front desk, but you could if you want to. God, it smells amazing in here. Oh. That's going to be your check-in area. This is your main lobby. Plenty of seating. Nighttime, they will have a piano player. They used to have a whole orchestra here. It was pretty awesome, but COVID. Sitting here and relaxing over near that trellis down there at the end of the shot is where they'll do the gingerbread house during the holiday season. I love this lobby. It's not my favorite lobby, but it's definitely Victorian elegance, as I would call it, with your gilded bird cages and whatnot. But I think we're gonna head to the pool, check that out, because our room's still not ready, but definitely wanted to get here and enjoy this resort whilst we could. So we're here. This is the main pool. There is another one it's about this size. Kind of surprised the pool situation is not bigger for this resort. It does have beaches, pool bar, and grill. I've heard really good things about the food there. The other pool, it appeared, had more of a snackish type situation. I know you can get cheeseburgers and stuff out of there. I don't know if the other pool, they're both very close to one another, so if one's too crowded, you could definitely hit the other pool, which is kind of what we did. The first pool, believe it or not, was even more crowded than this. But as all deluxe resorts, it does have a slide, which I think we're gonna check out. One thing to note, I've been noticing a lot of the pools here at Disney is afternoon DJ usually goes for a couple hours. I'm sure the schedule's somewhere online. You could find out if that's your jam. Disney lines. There's a good view up here though. always hurt my back. Yep. Pretty good. So we did end up eating at the pool bar, and it was good, not great. It was a Disney burger, and we got a Caesar salad that had kale and pineapple in it. It's kind of a miss for us, but we're now at Gasparilla, which is the quick service. Here you can do, they have a kind of limited, in my opinion, selection of grab and goes, but they did have a traditional chicken Caesar, which is about half of my diet right now, to be honest with you. I've been on this diet now for a little over maybe 2 months, but there is options here. You do have a bunch of, I will say I had the vegetarian sandwich here with balsamic and fresh mozz, and man, was it good. It was probably one of the best things I've ever had, actually, at a quick service. And you can also get some choices of hot items, the burgers, chicken sandwich, or as my British people call them, chicken burgers, which is weird to me. They have a full Joffrey's coffee shop and plenty of good looking pastries. I'm sure this place in the morning is booming. Right now it's 3 o'clock, 3:30, kind of chill. We are getting ready to give you the room tour. We got our room, like we were at the pool for like maybe 30 minutes and got the text about our room being ready, but we were having such a good time at the pool we decided just to hang out. So we're actually still haven't officially gotten into the room, but we'll do that next. So we're in the Sago K building, a bit of wayfinding. We're right near where you can rent the pontoons. We're on the first floor. What was our room number? 5132. Smells amazing. Nice little lounge areas.
Quiet.
Very quiet. There you can kind of see through the doors. There's the walkway. It's just closed because of the Polynesian Tower. Another reason why I hate it. But you can see clearly this. If you enjoy walking to Magic Kingdom, this is your spot for sure. There's of course a monorail. $51.32. All right. Have not been in yet. Your view is the same as mine. Oh wow. King bed. King bed is guaranteed. Thank God.
Big room.
Big room.
Worth the wait.
Definitely worth the wait. Cool view out here too, but we'll get all settled in, do the tour. So, got a nice little balcony over here. And I want to say, I don't know, depending on that one tree, but we'll definitely be able to see the fireworks. I don't know from our balcony, possibly, because fireworks are kind of over on the Space Mountain side of Magic Kingdom. Got a little Mary Poppins on the artwork. This room is big.
The penguin chandelier.
Penguin chandelier, Michelle pointed out. Nice detail. Oh, this king bed looks amazing. You do have a sleeper sofa as well. 4 people in here to me would be tight, but I'm spoiled. You could definitely do 4 people in here. You've got a couple nice tables, some lamps.
Very spacious, I think.
It's big. Nice large television. I'm assuming these are closets. We'll see. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, of course. Missed opportunity there, Disney. Not logoed.
You have more Mary Poppins detailing in here.
Extra pillows and blankets. Hair dryer, which I'm sure Michelle appreciates. Safe and a steamer. Rooms connecting, obviously we're not using that. Nice table to get ready for your adventure. These drawers have built-in USBs and USB-Cs. It's got your Alexa, which I've had mixed results. Like, I didn't really get super deep into it, but I got a nice Keurig here with all your selections. A couple real glasses as opposed to the paper. Little fridge down below. Oh yeah, man. She pointed out Mary Poppins here and the kids. Check out the restroom. Oh, that mirror is awesome. That is cool. Got a nice his and hers. Plenty of towels. I even like the flooring. Check out the bathroom. Got your body washes. Nice fixtures. Spotless, as you'd hope. Spotless room. Normally, within 5 minutes of me walking into a room at Disney, I can find buildup of some kind, but so far I have not seen just a particle of dust. Like this rug. Herringbone pattern on the floor, which I love. But this is a good size room. Like, this is, I would say, maybe 1.5 moderate rooms or value. Not that the rooms that we stayed at Art of Animation wasn't nice, but this is just it's another level. There's more of this artwork in here. Again, this is 5132 Grand Floridian. Oh, those will be coming home with me. Oh man, I love this soap too. The sea salt smells so good. Recycling bin. This bag, by the way, we got on our cruise. If you want to check out our cruise vlog, it was about a month ago, maybe 2 months ago, we went on a Disney cruise. But this bag, we have used the crap. Now this cruise is well built. I know this is off topic, but
The zipper is the only issue.
the zipper is an issue, but it's a cooler bag, and we've used it a ton. When we go to the pool at our house and
Well
whatnot.
worth the $50 you spent on it.
Yeah, it's $15 on the boat. I think it's like $80 with beer in it, but
We got it all there.
we had our own beer. So that's it. We'll see. We'll of course we'll do a wrap up at the end of this series, kind of give you overall thoughts. But this room is fan-tastic. It's gorgeous. All right, guys, we're gonna do this a little bit different. We're gonna split this video in half, just because after going through editing, I realized how long it truly was. But I will give you my final thoughts on the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. But this is the end of part one. Thanks for joining me. Glad you did. If you liked what you saw today, make sure you hit like and subscribe. And if you hated what you saw today, blame the sun, because it is making me sweat, man. Oh, keep the parks clean.